And, oh god damn it, they took it all the way down. What the fuck? Oh, here they come. Here's your call button. Oh, wow. What the fuck? Where are they? Oh, here they come. Nope. Let me in! Wow. Don't move down. Hold on. Whoa. You can see under there. What? Don't drop your phone. Or don't chop. Fuck off, Jared. Herod. Alright, let me, Wait. Here, I'm gonna close these doors, because there's...
Sure, a second. Close it.
Oh, look at that. That's like... Alright. Can I control it going down?
Wait a minute, before you go. Hold on, what's that? Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good, you're
What does
good.
that say there?
Reliance Reliance B Door Hanger Company. And then this is a Westinghouse. This obviously was originally Westinghouse.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe they
Would somebody, here, would you mind, if I move this, would you stand in that corner and film me running it?
Sure.
Thanks, man. Here you go. Just hold it
Yeah.
sideways. Just kidding.
I know.
I'll move this little fucker. Here, watch out. I'm gonna set this in front of you.
That's
Get
just
like
a University of Pittsburgh housing thing.
Here, make sure you get me and the door, okay?
Alright.
Oh, this is quick. Where's Jared?
I don't know where he is. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, this is nice. All right, let's go.
Whoa.
Don't reverse it immediately.
Fuck.
Just don't do
Close
it
enough,
anymore.
close
You're
enough.
good.
Hi, buddy.
Tell him not to reverse it immediately after stopping.
Here, let me drive it. Can I drive?
Where are we going, the lobby? Be careful when you go to the basement. Stop it, Sam. Move now.
It's not.
What are you doing?
Leave it in the lobby, because that's usually where it is parked.
No.
I thought you told me not to do that. Oh, whoa. What is that?
Call system. Hit the button in the lobby. You can watch it go.
I think that resets it.
Stop it.
Oh, yeah, that resets it.
Resets it.
All right.